Hello, welcome back to my channel. Before I share this haul, if you enjoy craft videos, do like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my other videos. Today I have some gorgeous stamps and stickers to show you, including a little spooky freebie. This first AALL Create stamp is by Dominic Phillips and it's called Mushroom Cottage. It has these 4 mushroom scenes on. They are a perfect size for ATCs, but they'd be also perfect on cards and in mini journals, or you could fussy cut them out and use them as little embellishments or pop them onto envelopes. The next one by AALL Create again is Greta by Klein. So you can see we've got this little fairy sitting on top of the mushroom house, although you could snip her wings off and just have her as a little girl. And I'll be honest with you, it was the sentiment that drew me to this stamp. It says cute, smart and a little dramatic, and that absolutely sums up my niece. We all refer to her as cute, smart, and at times she is a little bit dramatic. Next are the stickers from the works. These are the alphabet gingerbread stickers, so they're obviously decorated to look like gingerbread. You don't get many repeats of the letters, but I thought they'd be good accents on maybe on tags or cards or envelopes. Just add that fun little festive touch. And these ones are also from the works, so as you can see they're Christmas jumpers. These were £1.50 and you get 12 of those. Both of those are puffy stickers. And finally are the planner stickers from It's Simply Bizarre. First I have the YouTube icon flags, which I'll put in my planner to denote when I've got a video coming out. Next I have the paperback books with the new book written on the front, and you can pick different colours, so I've picked the autumn colours, surprise surprise. I've also got an e-reader version of this, because I do normally have a normal book, as I refer to it, and an e-book on the go at the same time. And I also listen to a lot of audiobooks and podcasts, so I thought this one would be a really good one to use for that. And with those, we've got this cute freebie, which I just had to share. So this, as you can see, is a Halloween freebie with all these cute iconic Halloween items on. And that's everything from my haul. I'm really looking forward to using both the stamps and the stickers. Do you have any of these sets? Will you be picking any of them up? Do let me know in the comments which ones are your favourites, and if you loved this haul, please like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more craft inspiration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheerio.